I graduated high school. I graduated from Mormon seminary married. Um, and it came to a point where I was like, oh my gosh, this is just not what I want. I had my parents that were like, go to church, go to church. You need to make things right with the Lord. And then I was, in a marriage with a guy that didn't want to be married either, that we were both forced into. And he wanted to move to East Texas and live by his family. And I was like, I just envisioned having lots of kids and being miserable for the next 20 years. And I was like, I can't do this. And my parents supported me in getting a divorce because he wasn't Mormon. And he had promised my parents that, yeah, I will convert, we'll get married in the temple. And he didn't do that. And so they're like, well, we support you in getting a divorce. So I felt that I had permission to um, to leave him.